Welcome to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I know for someone that is watching this video, you may be asking, you may be thinking, what's so excited about 100 subscribers? You may be saying some people have millions of subscribers. Why this video for 100 subscribers? May I tell you, stay behind. I will teach you what will open your eyes that will help you help your business and help your generation. All you need to do is watch to the end and later you will thank me. Wow. So in today's episode, I want to share with you the secret to my 100 subscribers and lesson learned. All you need to do is to watch to the end and you will understand why this video is not just about 100 subscribers, but I want to pass important message to you. Number one, I want to show my gratitude to all my viewers, all my subscribers. I want to tell you big thank you for supporting my goal, for supporting my dream, for supporting my passion. Without you, I couldn't have made it to this 100 subscribers. To you that is listening and watching this video, I want to tell you this. Number one secret to success is gratitude. If you want to go high in life, learn to be grateful with what you have. Many people are not grateful with what they have because they are focusing on the big picture. Imagine if I neglect thanking the viewers and the subscribers because I am focusing on millions. May I tell you, be grateful with where you are. Don't focus so much on where you want to go and you missed what God is doing at the present. So I want you to take time to be grateful to what you have at the moment. Be grateful to the resources around you. Be grateful to the people around you. Be grateful for the wisdom, creativity, for the knowledge, for the plans as you journey to the bigger goal. I want to say a big thanks to all my subscribers, all my viewers, whether you subscribe or you don't subscribe, in as much as you have viewed my video, in as much as you have wait a second, a minute to see my video. I want to say thank you so much. As you put smile on me, may heaven put smile on you. To progress that leads to perfection. When I started my YouTube channel, may I tell you, there are so many things I don't have. I don't have cameras. I don't have lights. I don't have mic. I don't have software to edit my videos, Canvas, all these softwares to edit my video. In fact, I am not too much into technology. But guess what? I decided that those things will not stop me. Instead, I will start little by little. What is the lesson learned in this number two? In the pursuit of your tiger, never you ever be distracted by the rabbit. What is my rabbit? Oh, I don't have this, I don't have this, I don't have this, I don't have this. Imagine if I am waiting for all these things to be complete. Do you think or do you know that up to now I could have not started? Because as I'm talking to you, I still don't have cameras. I'm still using my MacBook to record. So whatever dream you have in life, don't wait for perfection. Maybe don't wait until everything is perfect, because the truth is this: if you wait for perfection, you will wait forever. Imagine if I'm waiting for all these things to be perfect, to have all these things. Honestly, I may wait forever. So step out and don't wait for perfection. Number three, micro step that leads to micro jump. If you look at the beginning of this video, I start with jiggy 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 jiggy. Do you notice? I have never seen someone that went to gym today and lose 20 kg. If you have ever worked in engine company or if you have ever drive car, you will notice something. The moment you start car, it starts from jiggy jim, jiggy jim. Jiggy, 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 until the engine pick up. What am I trying to say? Most often, many times, people want to achieve great in life, but guess what? They are neglecting the little beginning. They don't want to start with that jiggy jim, jiggy jim, jiggy jim, jiggy, 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 jiggy. They just want to jump into micro jump. So, as you that is watching this video, may I tell you, no matter what you want to start in life, never you ever abandon the little beginning, because the truth is this: what you learn in the process is what we keep the results. Many people have results, but they don't have what keeps the result because they don't go through process. In the process of starting my YouTube, I have learned so many things. I have learned to edit. I have learned to video. I have learned to edit. I have learned to do thumbnail. Before, I don't know how to do Canva. I don't know how to do thumbnail. I don't know how to title it. Like, there are so many things that I don't know. But when I look back, you see that in my process, there's a lot of something that I learned. May I tell you, everyone you see at the spotlight once have a beginning. All the dogs you see everywhere, all the dogs you see in the park are once a puppy. So never you ever abandon or be ashamed of your small beginning. The secret and lesson learned is persistence and commitment. May I tell you, I am a mother. I am a wife. My children are very little, 3 years, 1 year. So don't think that, oh, this woman have all the time. I have so many things on my shoulder. It does not stop this dream of Destiny Academy. May I tell you, no matter what you want to achieve in life, you must be persistent. You must be committed. It's not something you will do today and tomorrow you stop, next tomorrow you stop. May I tell you, there are some days, nights that my kids, my children will be sleeping and I will sneak out to do editing. I will sneak out to do video. I will sneak out to do the thumbnail. Like, I will sneak out to do something. Not because I don't want to sleep, not because I am not tired, but I know that all these things are excuses that may stop this dream not to be achieved. So whatever you want to achieve in life, always know that commitment and persistence pays a lot. Don't do it today, tomorrow you are tired, next tomorrow you do it, you rest for the 3 years, and another time you come back. No, be persistent, be committed. You will see your dream being achieved. Another secret and lesson learned is this: always pray for your businesses. Always pray for your career. Always pray for your education. May I tell you, every day I see one subscriber, every day I see one view in my YouTube channel, I pray for the person. Your question might be, I don't know them. What am I praying about them? May I tell you, you don't need to know them to pray for them. I pray for them what I want people to pray for me. I have never seen someone who wants people to pray negative prayer for them. The same way I pray for my viewers, I pray for my subscribers, I bless them, I bless their family, even though I don't know them, even though they don't know that I am praying for them. So what is the lesson learned here? The Bible said in the book of James 1:5, if anyone lack wisdom, he should ask God. My dear, in your business, in your ministry, whatever you are doing, in your education, always seek the face of God. Ask God for direction. Don't do it alone. Don't feel like you know it. You don't need to be a Christian to pray for God. Always seek the face of God before you start your business on your daily basis. Seek the face of God. Pray for your customers. Pray for your teachers. Pray for your students. Pray for, I don't know, whatever you are doing. Whatever you are doing in life, always pray for them. And you don't need to wait for them to know that you are praying for them. Though you don't know, but yes, I pray for you and I will keep praying for you, because for you to say yes to this community, you have given me a task to be praying over your life. The last but not the least is to do it afraid. Do it afraid. When I started, I don't have all it takes, but guess what? I do it afraid. Of course, I am not afraid of public speaking. I am not afraid of stage, but the truth is this: there are so many fears. Fear of criticism, fear of what friends will say, fear of continuation, fear of what if. So what am I saying? In that thing you want to do, yes, you might look at everything and you say, oh, we are in this month, we are in that month, we are in that month. Start today and do it afraid. Remember, everything in life starts with chikichim. Chikichim. When I started my YouTube subscriber, it starts with 1 subscriber, 2 subscriber, 3 subscriber, 4 subscriber, 5 subscriber, 6, 7, 800. Thank you so much, my YouTube friends. I love you all, and I will see you in another episode. Go and step out.